In this session today, I'm going to show you how to make some bars that are made with quinoa flakes and almonds. We're going to make quinoa almond bars. Super healthy, super delicious, and incredibly easy to make. The main ingredient here is quinoa flakes. We're going to use 150 grams of these. It's a really nice alternative to using quinoa if you want a complete protein hit. Super nutritious. So we're going to put that in the bowl. I'm going to use 100 grams of almonds. I want to grind these with the NutriBullet. Super quick to do. You can use a food processor for that. You can use any blender for that as well. So you want to pop that in there. I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of peanut butter. You can also use tahini if you want, or almond butter, or any nut or seed butter. 2 of those. That acts as a little bit of a binder, and it gives just a little bit of an extra fatty element, which is gorgeous in a sweet treat like this. Then I'm going to use half a teaspoon of almond extract, and then I want to put 100 milliliters of maple syrup in that. You can use any alternative sweetener, like date syrup works really nicely as well. And then I'm going to mix that in with a spoon until everything is evenly and thoroughly combined. You can see when it starts compressing together. You want to probably do that for about a minute. And then I need to get my oven-proof dish. This one is made out of oven-proof glass. I want to line it with parchment paper, and then you want to pour it into your parchment-lined dish. And then I want to press that down nicely. You can do it with your hands if you find that a little bit easier, or just use the back of a spoon. So give that just a minute, and you just want to make sure it's nice and evenly compact. And when you're done, you want to put that into a preheated oven, about 180 degrees Celsius, for up to about 20 minutes. That's going to really depend on your oven. So I'm going to probably cook this for about 50 minutes. You want to make sure it's just got a nice little tan on top, and then it's good to go. So when it's done, you might want to just let that cool down. It's going to crumble a bit more if you cut it when it's hot, although that does taste really nice straight out of the oven. I would just say, if you don't want it to crumble so much, just let it cool down and then cut it up into nice squares or bars. And if you want to be really posh, melt some chocolate, sprinkle that on top. I do hope that you enjoyed this recipe. If you like what you see, please do subscribe to my channel, click like, make a comment. It really helps me out massively, and I'd be really happy to share more. Bye for now.